What's up guys? So, Lenovo has officially announced 3 new smartphones in China, including Lenovo S5 Pro, K5 Pro, and K5s. Starting of Lenovo S5 Pro. The phone comes with a 6.26-inch IPS LCD display that has a full HD plus resolution of 2240 into 1080 pixels. The display carries a quite big notch at the top, housing the dual front cameras, including an earpiece. The phone also sports a chin at the bottom, which is quite thick. Flipping it over back, you will find a metal unibody design that provides a sturdy texture. The phone feels quite compact in hands, and has a thickness of 7.7 mm. It has a rear dual camera setup here, that includes a 12-megapixel primary sensor, and a 20-megapixel secondary sensor, equipped with autofocus. On the bottom, you will find a headphone jack, speaker grills, and a Type-C port. When it comes to the performance, the Lenovo S5 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset, making it a powerful phone in budget range. The processor is flavored with Zui 5.0 operating system, supported by Android 8.1 Oreo. The phone comes with 3500 mAh battery, with support for 18-watt fast charging. The second smartphone launched by Lenovo is the Lenovo K5 Pro. It has a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display that carries an 18:9 aspect ratio. The top bezel of the phone features a 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual selfie shooters. Flipping the phone, you will find the same metal unibody design and a dual camera setup. The camera setup on the back is the same 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel combo like on the front. Apart from that, the phone is 8 mm in thickness, and has speaker grills, headphone jack, and a Type-C port at the bottom. The phone is powered by the same Snapdragon 636 chipset, and has 4050 mAh battery. It also comes with Zui OS, supported by Android 8.1 Oreo. The third phone launched by the company is the Lenovo K5s, and it is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset. It has a 5.7-inch IPS LCD display that produces HD plus resolution of 720 into 1440 pixels. It comes with an attractive design and has double-sided glass finish. The back of the phone comes with an elegant look and has a reflective glass. It has a dual camera setup at the back, consisting of 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel sensors. It also has dual camera setup on the front, with same resolution like of the rear cameras. The phone really looks astonishing in good lighting conditions. The bottom of the phone comes with a headphone jack, speaker grills, and a Type-C port. The phone is backed by a 3090 mAh battery, and it runs the latest version of Zui OS, based on Android 8.1 Oreo. So, let us know your opinions about the new Lenovo Budget series in comments. Get subscribed to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.